Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Mohammad Aoun Rizvi. I'm working in a Bagh school. I'm O-level physics teacher there, and my lecture is lecture number 15, and it is related to grade 10 physics. Now I will proceed towards the next slide, that is our topic slide. And topic that I'm going to discuss and describe is advantages and disadvantages of mercury as a thermometric liquid. You may use alcohol into the thermometer as a thermometric substance into the thermometer, but in this case we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of mercury as a thermometric liquid. First of all, we will discuss advantages, and later on we will discuss disadvantages of mercury as a thermometric liquid. Now, by reading first statement, what does it says? Advantages. It is good conductor of heat. What does it mean? Heat can easily flows through it. So that's why it is a good conductor of heat. It does not wet the tube. If you kept that mercury into the tube, what will happen? The tube will not get wet. It has a high boiling point. And you know, in my previous lecture I have discussed the boiling point. Boiling point is a temperature at which liquids start to boil. In the case of water, the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Mercury has a high boiling point. It expands uniformly. What does it mean? When you give the heat to the mercury, its rate of expansion is directly proportional to heat. By increasing the heat, the expansion of the mercury increases in the direct proportion. That's why it expands uniformly. It responds quickly to temperature changes. What does it mean? When the temperature change, what will happen? Its rate of expansion also depend upon temperature. It will expand, and its response most quickly, because by the increase of temperature it has a visible meniscus. Now I will discuss disadvantages of mercury as a thermometric liquid. It is poisonous. Why it is poisonous? When you swallow it, you will be killed by it, because it is poisonous. It is expensive, and it has a high freezing point. And you already know that what is freezing point. It is a temperature at which liquid begins to freeze and convert into solid. In case of water, its freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. I hope so you like my lecture what I have delivered to you. You have to read it, the topic advantages and disadvantages of mercury as a thermometric liquid in your O-level book, that is physics matter, or you may use federal physics for your help. I hope so you like my lecture. Okay, Khuda Hafiz.